Long time no see there, stranger. Glad you could make it back. Glad I could make it back. Been busy. Kind of had a lot of things going on. I'm sure you guys are probably all quite curious. I know I'm excited to show you guys, that's for sure. I mean, I'm sure you can kind of see a little bit up there, a little bit of a sneak peek, but I'll show you guys some more of it later. We're currently on our way to a truck show, a suicide awareness convoy and truck show. So, got my little guy back there with us. We're gonna go spend the day and hang out with some cool people, jam some loud music, and we'll keep you updated throughout the day. Be chilly over there today, so hopefully my hands won't get too cold. I don't want to wear my dirty gloves. So, okay, I'm gonna drive, I'm gonna listen to some music, and enjoy the ride. We'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Well, good news. We made it! Oh my goodness, too much, there we go. Hey, there you are. Hello. Good news, we made it. We're a little early, but we're here. So now we're posted up. Suppose I can give you guys a little peek, huh? We'll give you a peek. Hopefully I won't get too copyrighted for this, but it's a little messy back here yet, but we're getting there. Kind of hard when you're hiding 00 gauge. But we went with all white and purple. I don't have my fiberglass pods done yet, unfortunately. I was hoping to have them done this weekend, but we got 6 6.5s. We got super tweeters in the factory, 4x6 locations. We got 6 8-inch up there with 2 super tweeters. We got a 15-inch Zv6. And then in each closet, we've got a 12-inch Sundown U12. So we're running about 10,000 watts RMS right now. Definitely probably going to get copyrighted for this, but figured I would show you guys at least, you know. Show you what we're working with. It's pretty impressive. Definitely turned some heads, so. Okay, well, we're gonna wait for some people to file in. That way we can see what we're parked up against. Hopefully we can win something today. I'm sure I'm probably gonna have close to the loudest stereo here, so I don't know if they have anything for that or not, but we'll find out, I'm sure. I'm trying to compete with the DJ over there behind me, so I don't think it'll be too hard. I got a little more power than they got. Just that they're working with the wide open, and I'm not. So maybe I'll have to just turn it up louder.
What's up?
Guy's a nerd. Yeah, okay. We'll check in with you guys shortly. Till then, enjoy your day. Well, that's a wrap. 2025 Suicide Awareness Convoy and Manitowoc Truck Show. Good turnout, great crowd. Truck got a lot of attention. A lot of attention. Way more than I thought it was going to, that's for sure. Let me tell you, I didn't really get left alone, so that was pretty cool. I was not expecting to be busy the whole time talking to people, but finally I just had to go home because I couldn't talk anymore. I'm starting to lose my voice actually, so I've been talking quite a few hours straight already. It's been quite memorable. So I wanted to do more video in and walk around and video and stuff, but I didn't get a chance. I was so busy over there. Really great turnout, great food. Just an all-around good time. I can't wait for next year. So I'll be back to you guys here after a while, maybe when we get home or whatnot. Give you a little more of a walk around and a tour and shit. See what's up. So, till then, take care. we'll catch you in a while. Well, it's a whole new day, everybody. I wanted to take more video and whatnot at the truck show the other day. My stereo got way more attention than I ever thought it was going to, so I was so busy talking to people that I'll be honest, I forgot. Like, I was just so sidetracked trying to keep up with everybody that was around. I didn't expect that much attention. I knew it would turn heads, but it was actually kind of overwhelming. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, after about 4 hours of just continuously talking to people, I was starting to lose my voice, and I was getting tired. It's my first time really ever being put in that position, I guess. So, I mean, it's a good precursor to what to expect for further truck shows and stuff, because I know it's probably only going to be busier at busier truck shows, but yeah, I'll learn. I'll manage. I'll take more video of it. I've been kind of slacking on video lately, but I've just been so busy with so much stuff. This stereo was a big one. Had to get a new water pump in the truck yesterday. Had a coolant leak the day of the show. Turns out it wasn't a hose, it was the O-ring behind the water pump, so that was kind of sucky, but it is what it is. It's all fixed. We're back rolling, making money again. Yeah. Been busy. I need to focus more on hanging out with you guys and getting you guys some content. I know I've been really lacking at that. So today it's back to the normal. Headed back out to South Dakota, grab a load. Beautiful weather out. 84 degrees, sunny, a little breezy, but I'll take it. Summer's here, baby. I love it. The only thing that sucks is the bugs. So, what do? You know? Better than snow and salt and cold. And at least you can go outside and be productive. That's the kind of stuff I like. For real, check this out. It's beautiful out. Just beautiful out there. I love that all the grass is turning green. Leaves are starting to get on the trees. All the birds are starting to come out. I love summer. I absolutely love this time of the year. So I'm gonna keep driving. I'm gonna bump a little bit of music. Can't really do that much. When I get over here, I will I'll turn some copyright-free stuff on, maybe, and give you guys a little tour. But yeah, until then, you guys take care. Catch up to you shortly. Well, we made it. Sitting here getting loaded. Got the red light going back there. Got some new stickers on the truck. I don't like that this thing face tracks automatically all the time. Then you can't see the stickers, but now you can. Just got to learn how to hold the camera, apparently. Now we put some new stickers on. But beautiful weather. A little warm. I'm loving it. Loving every second of it. So, I guess I can give you a little bit of a peek on the inside quick. I don't know what's playing for music, but we'll find out. Look at that. There's 6/8 with some super tweeters up there in the corners. And then we got some 12s in the closet on each side. Go down here. There's another one. Look at that. And then we've got a 15-inch Zv6 right here. Big boy sub. We got 6.5s up front. And I put some super tweeters in the factory locations, but I'm making some custom fiberglass cabinet doors here so that way I don't lose my storage and I can have room for speakers. So that's why they're just kind of mounted there, hanging on some metal hinges for now. I mean, they're secure, but they just kind of look like shit. So, yeah, it is awesome in here. I love it. Makes it a lot more fun. Makes the job a lot more enjoyable. Thankfully, they're not taking very long here. I checked in like 3 minutes ahead of time, and they got me into a door right away, so I can't really argue about that. They're working on me, getting me loaded right now. Hopefully I'll be out of here before long. Yeah. Nice and shiny rainbow stickers. They're pretty sweet looking in the sun. They're bright, really bright. That's for when I go to shows. I still gotta polish that up a little bit better, but it works for now, you know? Woo! 89 degrees out. I'm loving it. Beautiful out there. Now I'm just gonna sit here, chill out, wait until I'm done, and roll on down the road. So, yeah. I guess in the meantime, enjoy some demos. I can turn some music on for you quick here. I'm sure we can, I'm sure there's probably a few of you that know what crab rave is. Can't get in trouble for that. We're gonna crab rave it up. There we go. Got them highs, nice clean highs. I don't know how the microphone will pick this up, but we'll find out. Turn that down. We don't need to get in trouble. Woo! She cranks. She cranks. So I'll have to get in a different spot, somewhere where I can actually turn it up and not get in trouble. Give you guys all a real listen to it. I don't know how it sounds on this, but it sounds awesome in person. I got a lot of compliments the other day at the show for it. A lot more than I ever thought. So it makes me feel good because it was a lot of work. Between me and 5 of my buddies, we had about 200 man hours putting this in, and it's not even done all the way yet. As you saw, I still got to do them doors. still got to finish getting them fiberglassed and then painted. I still got to finish making the doors for the, I want to make new doors for my cabinets where the 12s are, just so that way they're wrapped in the white leather. They look good. Yeah, it's just little things here and there that I want to figure out now that it's just going to take time, but it's worth it to me. It's fun. I enjoy it. Thought my phone was going on. False alarm. But, well, hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and take care. And until next time, keep the shiny side up. We'll catch you later. Take care.